Yes, I just want to clarify. Say we live in the society. The same notion applies to Ghana football. Ghana football is a big family. Into Sena society, ubenya one or two people are ebia mra ya hyehyɛ no among this no. The same way in the family of football, no, ubenya one or two people are almost among the mra so. But that is why we have the rules. And when incidents are like this happen, we must say let's put the lenses on the people who have committed the misconduct or more take action. But when we go on a tangent and say GFA, everything GFA, no, we leave the individuals to misbehave. Intimate incident by Bronga Afo. Immediately, the person was arrested. The FA president and the executive, we went to the IGP, say, look, when crimes are committed at the stadium, arrest the people and then the criminal procedure goes on. The sporting jurisprudence will also go on. Until the GFA has not stopped in any of the incidents, say, my police in arrest will be. In all the cases, yes, support to police, no, and the Regional Football Association to support to, so that the Nipana Wadin Sembonino, police not, in the BA incident, Obu referee, no, police chino, and of course, Yemra na country, there were number of hours, SOD or Mama Nibela or court. Wabibrim coach, no, or no police chino or Kodasa. Adi crashing here. And I also wajini bela okokot. In piano pay crama bisam se monshushe na escort date mami. Miankasa, I'll go there. We can only help the police to prosecute him. Until he's being prosecuted. And our football sanctions no so charges beko. Yemra ne say obey na na fe disciplinary committee no the decision about. Until that process is being followed. Tamale DA Saturday FC, myself, I was on the line, FA president was on the line, the RFA chairman, yes, sister no call hospital, free hospital to hospital, yeah, RFA no. Meanwhile, no, immediately no, na police share Abrantia no. Wajania free fee, to the extent car, ni mami village, ni mami hoka, onio, until he's gone into hiding. Intina ya publish it say obia onim baby no ye pesa information no to help the police in Tamale to arrest him. It is not true say the GFA is not doing anything about it. Each case no the GFA is involved helping the police and the police have effected those arrests. Into the bulk the BA incident no police chinipa no kwabe brim dia no so police chinipa no. That is what we need to communicate so that Obisu Yena Adwin say Okoye Bibia on himself police betino. And all these three cases, no, we will pursue it. In the BA case, no, we are working with the RAG, no, because RAG no picky information say Obi Peso ye out of court settlement. Yes, no. So the case is still in court. And we will not pursue any out of court anything. The criminal procedure must go on to the very end. And must the media to follow. Because if the media can say Yanchina, it embodies other people say, oh, yeah, Yancho.
Very well.
I want to put on record all three incidents, no. The police are on it, and we must commend the police. And the Tamale coach, no, yeah, that's
very well.
And then the sporting side, no, so in the Obenya charges, the thing happened on Saturday. In the Obenya charges, and the disciplinary committee will act. And if they do a decision, now RFA no feel say any RFA no feel say and Toya Suma, we'll go on appeal because the procedure allows for that. If we are pursuing this as firmly as we can, and you can see, say, me for this issue, and the whole executive committee and Obia, you cannot do that, and we will not allow.
Very well.
Nipana ordinary Saka charge them young referee also. And also he's in the grips of the police. You see, there's this year, Obia YSR, we will pursue it to the very end. And we will not allow, let me repeat it, we will not allow any out of court settlement. Now, what will be then later, Wako Pani, Bushia, Wako Bushia paying the old patrol, say, out of court settlement, Ubetiani medical bills, then no way. If it means that court no prison sentence, we will pursue it. It is not true, say the FA is not doing anything about it. In fact, we are at the forefront with the Ghana police, and we thank the Ghana police so much.
Very well. Well, my Mr. Final one, where individuals are identifiable coaches, any officials, but yeah, now supporters in the Koyana intimate warm, intimate investigate into book, for instance. The Tamale City bus, yes, for instance. And I say, yeah, fine club, no. Na ya this kanama club no but nipa di sense muhunu ya yentimi nchiwo mo and set you as an example and also no dey na mo ya fa ho to help the police in dealing with such situations.
Yeah, the very incident okay no ya pon match obia abomode match na koso pepepe team no ko enumre then e bi mo ko te be no mo to stones from a distance until they were not identified like you said no. But the clarion call Edima, the people say, the police needs information. Sankanipa ba forward they say Osimasi and one. The police will go and effect the arrest. As I talk to you, that investigation is ongoing. But omonya information, and yemran so untumin kochi a whole town say because Bakon had to war. Oh, until we keep on calling on the citizens, no, say, police no with information, and sometimes, no, the thing is that the sporting side, no, it punishes the club, so we expect the club, no, so through almost supporter groups, ni, stakeholders, say, oh, no, so identify those people, no, ama police, no, not club, no, so no, unfortunately, no, the same way, Ebiobi according to Mboni will be information by we limit the work of the police. And see, we yeah, that's so can say or information be threat about so that the police would effect the arrest on those people the few people are bonino.
Okay. Council, where do you pay for your intervention?
Thank you very much. So we would provide information as to updates so that the public will know, say, we will pursue, and the coach Malino, you better pursue no to will get it, and that's the commitment from the police and from the GFA and the Northern Regional Football Association.
Very well,